It's a wet start to the evening, but at the moment, everything's just below severe levels. But still, for the early evening rush hour, it's slowing things down and cooling things down also. Temperatures are in the 60s as the rain has moved by. Elsewhere, upper 70s to around 80, and also very humid at that. Here's all the rain, the orange, the red, indicating the heavier downpours coming down. And the general movement is to the east and northwest of some of the individual cells. But again, this is going to be dropping down to the southeast with time over the next hour or two. So it's going to be an issue for the early part or the first half of the evening. Then late evening, things will start to dry out. But very heavy downpours around the city, making its way now toward Ottawa and areas near Cleveland. Within that, I've shown you the velocity scan a couple of times. This shows you there are some pockets of wind between 30 and 35 miles an hour just above the surface. So it's got some wind, though it is below severe levels, but a little windy, heavy downpours of rain, and do be aware of that lightning risk. When thunder roars, head indoors and stay there till the storm passes on by. Same thing for this stretch all the way down to the Jackson County. There are several advisories along this line. These are steps below severe thunderstorm warnings, but it does mean that winds may gust upwards of 40 and the heavy downpours of rain. That's the case across North Georgia and again across parts of Hamilton and Bradley County as well. And this extends all the way back into Jackson County, where again, there are some gusts about the same level, about 35 to 40 above the surface, but again, below severe levels. Heavy rain continues from Athens and 10 Mile, then below severe levels, but they've extended this advisory to around 7 o'clock all the way to the North Carolina state line with, again, heavy downpours of rain, lightning, and occasional strong wind gusts. So you're getting a break now in Cherokee and Clay County. More of that's going to come your way during the 7 o'clock hour. And across North Georgia, as this line drops down to the south and east, more heavy downpours moving in, and again, that lightning threat. So time to take it inside for a little while this evening. Now, by early or say mid to late evening, the rain does start to move out rather quickly. So overnight, things are quiet. Dense fog will settle in overnight as temperatures cool and the very damp conditions. So Tuesday, kind of a cloudy, foggy start, but after that, it's a beautiful day. A lot of sunshine lunchtime of the afternoon. Highs reaching the low to mid 80s. Great day coming up. In fact, tomorrow night through Wednesday morning, a little bit on the cool side. Temperatures upper 50s and low 60s. Then a gorgeous day Wednesday. Sunshine, a little warmer. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 80s. Then by Thursday, sunny to start with, then partly sunny. We do have the southerly wind coming back. That's going to make it more humid Thursday afternoon. And with that, a couple of just pop-up thunder showers. Kind of a typical summer day on Thursday, but that's when showers start to creep back in, setting the stage for a soggy start to the Father's Day weekend, starting Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. Before tomorrow, it's much different from today. It's a calmer day. Watch for the fog overnight and early morning. Otherwise, highs mid-80s with sunshine and a very light westerly wind. Finally, no weather alert days for a change. We'll have a few pop-up thunder showers on Thursday and again on Friday. Right now, any severe potential. Friday, the weekend looks low. We'll watch that, but it looks like an off and on pattern. So for the Father's Day weekend, yeah, there'll be showers, some thunder at times, and partly cloudy skies in between. So best to have a backup plan just in case. High temperatures will average still in the upper 80s and very humid.
All right, David.